Oh yeah, YouTube, George here. Oh, turn on the overhead lights. This is my latest purchase, a little Akai integrated amp, an AM-U11, and according to Hi-Fi engine, this thing is good for about 30 watts per channel into 8 ohms. And I got this off an ad site here in Ireland, and I paid €60 for it. And I tell you, it plays absolutely beautiful. The only thing I've done with it since I got it, I done two things. The first was I freed up this shaft. You have two shafts here, one inside the other. So this one is for balance, and then the other one is for volume. And they were kind of, when you turn the volume, you were turning the balance as well. So I freed that out, and I've played it and played it and played it into my Spirit Absolute 2 monitors up the top there, and just ran it for hours and hours and hours, and lovely sound off it, and quite pleased with it. Cosmetically, the front panel is very good. Just one little mark on it there, little scratch, and the usual then, as I call this, stack rash on the top, and there's a bit on the bottom here as well, but we'll take care of all that and give her a good clean up, clean all the controls and stuff. The old lid is a bit scabby, so we'll do something with that. We'll give it a shot of paint, and we'll probably paint it black. Black is the best colour for these things, maybe silver, we'll see. But I like these little integrated amps, and I like this one because it's got the VU meters, and one of the bulbs is out, so we'll convert that to LED. I have some of the, I think I have some of the fuse type ones here. I have. That's them there. Got them before for when I was doing the Sony. So I have two and all, so I can convert it to LED, but they'll probably look like they're flickering on the camera, like that there. Looks like it's flickering on the camera, but it's not in reality. It's just to do with the frame rate of the camera and all of that carry on. So I think what we'll do now is we'll pop the lid off and see what's going on inside. Okay, so we have the lid off there, and that is a very simple little amplifier. There's not a whole pile going on in here. The amplification comes from an STK461 module, so your entire PA and all associated gubbins are encased in that little lad there, and not much in it in the way of caps. The fuses, tone control board down here. Yeah, so we'll give all the switches a shot of cleaner, and we'll have a look and see how handy is it to get in at changing them two bulbs out while we have the lid off. Yeah, so that looks a lot better. Looks like they're flickering, but they're not in real life. So quite pleased with that now. Nice little lamp. Do for messing around with out here. Like these little integrateds. So there's the stage I'm at now. Of course, me being me, couldn't leave it alone. So we've totally recapped it and checked all the underside of the board for dry joints and stuff like that, and all tickety-boo. Once I got the board out, it was handy enough to work on it. I just took the entire thing out, removed the rear panel and the front panel, and undo all the pots here, and then a couple of screws here where the AC board comes in and the power switch is, and you're able to take the complete unit out. Just grab it by there and the whole board comes out, so quite easy to work on. So stage I'm at now is I am going to put the rear panel back on, and we're going to test it, and I have a couple other things I'm going to do then, so we'll keep that for the rest of the video. Alright, so safe to say she's working, and at least we know now it'll be nice and reliable for another few decades. So I didn't put the lid back on yet because I'm going to paint it. So there we go, and everything working on it, so it's grand. Happy days. So we'll get you in the next one. All the best.